All right. So, if you're ever looking for a trailer, make sure you stay away from Forest River, because they don't cut any corners or anything, but they use some shitty ass fucking insulation. Yeah. Forest River is one of the shittiest fucking companies out there. Fucking having to replace panels on a brand new fucking trailer. Yeah. So if you're looking for a cheap trailer, I mean, you could go with Forest River, but just so you know, you're gonna get fucking trash, and they are fucking shitty people to work with. So yeah, just think about that. But yeah, down here, they don't cut any corners, but yet, like, what's that supposed to insulate? Like, that ain't shit. It's freaking stupid. Makes no sense. So, Forest River is forced trash.